Carol with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and as you guys know, I have been showing you a lot of videos of home decor inspiration. I've taken you out shopping with me, and today's video is, I guess, what I picked up on those shopping hauls. So you guys know I love to decorate on a budget and make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into, if you have not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. Now, if you are new here, I love decorating my home in black, white, and silver. So I am very modern with a touch of glam. So as such, I try to bring items into my home that will complement everything else that I already have. So a few weeks ago, I showed you a shop with me at the at-home store, and I only picked up a few items there, one of which were these smoked vases. I absolutely love them. This one was $6.99 and this one was $9.98. And they look so good together. I can show you that, they're kind of long. So I absolutely love how they look, so I had to pick those up. Those were the only things that I picked up from the at-home store. To go along with that smoky theme, I also showed you guys a video, and if you missed that at-home shop with me, I will leave a link for that down below. But I also showed you a video on how I wanted to create my Pinterest inspired smoky glassware, and if you have missed that video, I will leave a link for it down below. But I was on Crate and Barrel and I found, actually it was CB2, these beautiful smoky glasses. I like the faceted detail, and I figure I can style these with the DIY vases that I did, so I absolutely love those. These were a pack of 6 for, I want to say $12.99, and normally just one of these is like $3, so you cannot beat that value. The other thing I picked up, I ordered months and months ago, like back in October, and it is these marble linked chains. And I ordered these from Decor. As I said, it was back in October. They were back ordered, and they finally just arrived. These were $40, I believe, $39.99. If I find them again, I will leave a link for those down below. But I absolutely love these. And yeah, I think I know of another way that I could actually recreate these to give you a look for less. So if you are interested in those, please make sure you subscribe if you have not already done so. Now, the other thing that I picked up while I was out shopping was from Home Goods, and it was this black tray. I absolutely love it. It was $16.99, and I think it will look perfect on my console table. Whoops. Especially if they were styled like this. Absolutely love it. So the only other thing I am going to show you today, so I don't make this video too long, is this vase that I picked up. I posted this on my Instagram and I absolutely love it. This also came from the at-home store, or not the at-home store, Home Goods. It was $19.99. It did not come with the florals. I actually picked the florals up from Amazon, and I absolutely love the white and the white and black detail. And these were, there's 3 stems, but each stem has a lot of limbs. So it was $15 for a pack of 3, which I thought was an awesome deal for that. A great steal. So I have paired these together, and now I'm going to show you how I use these items in my home. So I think you'll really like it, so make sure you keep watching. Alright, so here is how I have styled the entryway. This is a winter refresh. I have added the vase that I just showed you that I picked up from HomeGoods. It was $19.99. The floral stems in white are from Amazon. They were $15. I will leave a link for those down below. This vase I showed you in a previous shopping haul last year. It was $16.99 from HomeGoods. The black eucalyptus I got during Halloween last year from Joann's. I absolutely love them. You don't have to use items for their intended purpose. Like these were made for Halloween, but they go with my aesthetic. So I am using them all year round. Down here we have my Tom Ford book. I showed you guys I picked that up last year from Amazon. This vase is a DIY. I picked it up from the Goodwill. It was red and I painted it black. These geodes I picked up on Amazon. It was a pack that you could do a DIY open your own geode. I did a video on that, so if you missed that, I will leave a link for that as well down below. I think there were $40 and there were 4 rocks in there, I believe. And then this guy, I showed you guys this in my HomeGoods shop with me. I showed you this lamp. I absolutely love it. However, I wasn't so much in love with the lampshade. So what I did was remove that lampshade and I added this black one. And I think it gives it a much more dramatic effect. I absolutely love how this looks in the entryway. It gives it a modern glam look. And I also changed out my artwork. I absolutely love these paintings. I picked these up from World Market. They were 2 for, I think $260, which is a little pricey, but you can mix high-end items along with some low-end items and give you that high-end luxe look for less. So I absolutely love this little refresh, and it's just one of the ways I have styled my entryway. Now, one thing I'm going to try is to change out the items in the center to other items that I picked up from the at HomeGoods, and we'll see how those look. But this lamp, I absolutely love the look of it now, and I left the tags on in case I didn't keep them. But I bought 2 of them and they were $79.99 a piece. Again, a little more expensive, but these are from a brand, I forget the name, but it's a high-end store, so they would be a lot more expensive at that store. And I didn't pay that much at all. So let me go ahead and add the second item to the entryway and I will be right back. Okay, so I switched out my Tom Ford book and the little bowl with the geodes and added this black bowl that I picked up at HomeGoods. Again, it was $16.99. The marble chain came from Decor and it was $39.99. And it gives it a more simple look. But again, I absolutely love it. The lamp is from Uttermost. Again, it's a high-end store and their lamps normally range for over $200. So this is actually a great price for the lamp. Again, it did not come with this shade. I will insert a photo here of how it originally looked, but I changed out the lampshade to give it a different appearance. And that is what I would recommend to you guys. If you find something that you like, but it needs a little modification, do not be afraid to do that. So, yep, this is my winter refresh. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Also, too, I want to thank Leslie because I saw these canvas prints in her homes. She's seen a Memento. If you have not seen her, make sure you go check out her channel. She does awesome hauls. She takes you around to model home inspiration. She actually showed one the other day that was done in all black and white, and I absolutely fell in love. So Make sure you go check her out. And Leslie, thank you so much for giving me the tip on where to find these canvas prints. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my winter refresh. Should I leave this little vase in the center, or should I go back to my bowl of geodes and my Tom Ford book? I like both looks, but leave me a comment down below and let me know which one you think works best here. If you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a like and comment down below. It helps YouTube know that you are enjoying my content, so they will push it out to more viewers. I want to thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed already and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I love and appreciate you all so much. For those people who are always complimenting my designs or my DIYs or asking questions, I greatly, greatly appreciate you. So if you guys have enjoyed today's video, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you would like to see the simple touches that I have made in my living room and kitchen for winter, let me know that as well. Would you be interested? Appreciate you. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.